Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with the Merkava Mk.4 from Israel. I know, many of you asked for this specific main battle tank from Israel, but finally it's here. The design was and still is quite complicated, that's why I needed a little bit more time to design it. Especially for the turret, I needed a lot of time to achieve the right angles, but I'm quite pleased of the final result. I think I achieved the best result possible. I don't know if you agree with me or not. As usual, I tried to implement all the details I found in the image references, but yeah, here in this video I'll show you all the moving parts and the little details that maybe you didn't notice in the previous photos. As usual, before starting, check the caption of the video, you can find many useful links such as a playlist with my all other mock designs divided by categories, so it should be easier to find what you like most, and obviously the links to get the instructions to build this one and my other designs, another link with a third-party cheaper solution for bricks. So if the original Lego parts are too expensive for you, you can find a very good alternative, and even the full set as soon as it's available. It takes a little bit more time, but little by little all my designs are getting the full set option that you can choose. Again, third-party bricks, that's why they are quite cheap, very good quality. I use them as well. You can find many reviews on the channel, so I think that's enough for the reminders. Let's check what we have here today. The Merkava is a quite peculiar main battle tank. Here, in fact, we have a door for the troops. So yeah, it can transport troops, not only the standard crew as any other tank, and the engine is here on the front. And you know me, if this is something so peculiar, of course I need to put it in the mock as well. And now I'll show you exactly what I mean. First, I think we can start from the exterior. You have maybe already noticed many of the details, like antennas everywhere. I don't know why it has so many antennas, but there are antennas everywhere. Here on the turret we can find the chaff and the grenade launchers, radars, one here, here and here for detecting incoming threats from every directions, and here some active protection systems to stop them. On the top we can find here two hatches for the crew inside. These can be opened like this, and you can see a little bit of the inside. The turret design is really complicated, that's why you don't have so many details here inside, but you can still place two minifigures. At least I tried to add at least this feature. Here you have an heavy machine gun, a very standard one here. Another one is present here on the top with the main gun, and they move together simultaneously. So when you move the main gun here, you aim up and down this one as well. On the top we have also the commander viewer. This one can rotate 360 degrees, just like the wall turret of course can rotate. Now I'll show you how. The active protection systems here on the sides can rotate as well. I think also this one is a cool feature. And for the main turret, I think that's all. We don't have anything else to check here. This one can rotate 360 degrees completely. It's a tank, so we have this one rotating, and you can disconnect it very easily. Here you can see a little bit of the turret inside the structure, and from here we can check the main chassis, where we have very interesting features as well. As I told you at the beginning of the video, the main and maybe most peculiar one is a little hatch here on the back. This one can open this way, and you can check the inside from here, where we have the pilot seat for the driver and some space inside for the troops. Now there is not so much space here in the Lego version because it's a mock, it's not real, but the real one has a space for up to 6 troops if I remember correctly. That's really cool. Here we have the hatch for the driver. This one can be disconnected and you can see the driver pilot inside. Now we have a driver inside. You can see it from here, that I think it's quite cool. But of course you can also remove the front section here completely and have another way to look inside at the driver. You obviously noticed here we have the engine we were talking about before. It's a V12 engine and I think it's pretty nice. This one is also visible from here. This section can be easily disconnected. There are flat parts everywhere and it's connected only here. This way you can see the engine also from here, that I think it's pretty nice. And the last detail present here on the front, we have a gun holder. It's something that usually you find on howitzer more than main battle tanks, or at least I'm not aware of other main battle tanks with this feature. This one is needed to keep the gun steady and in position. Here another little characteristic that maybe you didn't notice, we have 6 wheels on the side but separated in 4 and 2. This little space is not a mistake. Also the real one has this little space, so I tried again to add as many details as possible, even if I don't know the reason for many of them. But yeah, it's a fantastic machine. Many of you asked for it. I really hope you are happy I was finally able to bring you the Merkava main battle tank. If yes, remember to leave a thumbs up. Of course, it's not the only main battle tank I made until now, but here, as you may notice, we have many of them. If you follow me from a while, you already know about it, but if you are new here, you can find many other main battle tanks and also other tracked machines on the channel. And if you think something is still missing, let me know in the comments. Let me also know what you want to see next. I read all your comments, and just as I did with the Merkava today, where many of you asked for it, maybe your comment will be my next creation. And that's it, the video is finished. I hope you enjoyed this review. If yes, remember to leave a thumbs up, and I see you again next time in a new video. Bye!